Hi everyone, today I present you a simple and easy recipe of pasta salad. First we'll boil the pasta. In the boiling water we'll add some salt and oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Then we'll add the pasta, let it cook. We'll drain it and keep aside. Then in the same large pot, I melted 1 tablespoon of butter. We'll add some fresh parsley, give a quick mix. Then we'll add the carrots, the green beans, chopped bell peppers, some corn kernel. Give a quick mix and turn off the stove. I like to saute the vegetables for 2 minutes just to blend the flavor together. Now for our dressing, combine 1½ teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of mixed dried herbs, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Give a mix. 35 grams of shredded cheddar, 30 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 50 grams of cream cheese. We'll mix well and keep aside for 2 minutes. Then in the same large pot, we'll add the pasta to the veggies and the dressing also and mix well. And here is the pasta salad which you can accompany with some pan-fried chicken, steak, or like here some boiled eggs. And trust me, you are gonna love this recipe, so easy to make. The veggies also are up to your choice. You can put some cherry tomatoes or leave to you. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.